called? This is a spatula.
Spatula.
What is this called? This is a ladle.
Ladle.
What is this called? This is a whisk.
Whisk.
What is this called? This is a grater.
Grater.
What is this called? This is a rolling pin.
Rolling pin.
What is this called? This is a colander.
Colander.
What is this called? This is a cutting board.
Cutting board.
What is this called? This is a peeler.
Peeler.
What is this called? This is a measuring cup.
Measuring cup.
What is this called? This is a can opener.
Can opener.
What is this called? This is a pair of tongs.
Tong.